Get ready to stretch, relax, and unwind with me. Today's class will be great for all levels. From any comfortable seat, or perhaps even laying down, softly close the eyes and relax the belly and the chest. Remember, before we begin, if I give you anything that doesn't feel good on your body, I encourage you to please skip it or modify accordingly. It's so important when we stretch to find poses that feel good, so please don't push yourself to intensity. Starting off with 3 deep breaths together. Take a deep inhale through the nose, guiding the breath into the belly, into the chest. Part the lips and exhale through the mouth like you're fogging up a mirror. 2 more like that if that felt good. Inhale through the nose, guide the breath into the belly, into the chest. Part the lips and exhale, let it go. One more, this time go at your own pace. Come back to the natural breath and flutter the eyes open. Circle, sweep hands up to the sky from any seat and lean to the right. Root the left sit bone down. Lean to the left. Lean to the right. Find your breath. Lean to the left. And come back, shake it out. Twist the heart to the left. Keep the chin in line with the center of the chest. Open through the shoulders and straighten the spine. Unwind and twist to the opposite side. Unwind and rock forward, coming into table. Hands and knees. Inhale, cow, heart forward, belly down, look forward. Exhale, cat, lift the spine up, look to the legs. Inhale, cow, firm the core. Exhale, cat, tuck the tailbone. And flow through these, going to the wave of your own breath. Exhaling on cat and inhaling on cow. Then rise up, down dog, pedal out through the heels, pressing the heart towards the thighs. Spiral biceps in towards the ears, straighten the arms, and come to lay down on the back and lift the feet up to the sky. And just gently point and flex the feet. You can have a bend in the knees if that's too much. Lower the soles of the feet down, open the knees wide, press the soles of the feet together in reclining butterfly, Supta Baddha Konasana. I encourage you to take yoga blocks underneath the outer thighs here, unless the outer thighs easily kiss the earth below you. Lift the knees back up, pull them into the chest, sway from side to side and up in Asana. And then maybe find a quick happy baby. You can hold on to the outer knees. Some of us will find the outer ankles. If the lower back lifts, hold on to the knees. And lower down into Shavasana, final resting pose. Open the heels and the hands out as wide as the short edge of the mat, palms face up. Close the eyes, take a deep breath, and completely relax, release, and let go. Just surrendering to the earth below you. Let the mind focus on each nourishing breath. Just melting deeper with each inhale and exhale. Softly bend the knees and roll over onto one side. And rise up into any comfortable seat when you're ready. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're able to take this peace that you've cultivated for yourself into the rest of your day.